guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get this everyday very easy makeup look. So let's get into the video, but first don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. For moisturizer I'm using this Biotique moisturizer. It doesn't feel sticky at all and is suitable for all skin types and gives a beautiful subtle glow. Then I'm going in with the LA Girl Peach Corrector. You can completely skip this step if you don't have heavy dark circles. What this corrector does is it cancels out the darkness under the eyes and you need very little of it. For foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. It is a medium coverage foundation perfect for daily wear. Make sure you take your time and blend it properly so you end up with an even finish without getting a cakey base. Blending is the key. Then for concealer, I have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. It is a full coverage concealer and gives a seamless finish. For setting all this in, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. It gives a flawless finish. I will be using Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette for my eyebrows and eyeshadow. Picking the darkest brown shade from the palette to fill in my brows. I like my brows to look natural, so I just fill in the gaps. I feel doing eyebrows structures your face properly. Using the lighter brown shade for defining my crease and giving shape to my eyes, I am blending it by swiping my brush back and forth so that no lines are visible. Using the other transition shade on my lid to add some color and blending it using swiping motion. I am using the same color on my lower lash line as well. For blush, I have this random palette using the lighter pink shade for a very natural look. I love how blush adds life to any look and makes you look healthy and glowing from within. For mascara, I am using Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. It gives so much volume to your lashes. You can see the difference it made in just one coat. I highly recommend this mascara. You should definitely try it out for pretty looking lashes. To bring out my features and to add some more glow to my face, I am using the Makeup Revolution highlighter to highlight my cheekbones, forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, chin and the inner corner of my eyes as well as my brow bone. For lipstick, I am using Maybelline's Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. This shade looks so pretty, definitely a must-have for someone who loves nude lipsticks. It is a pinkish brown nude. Lastly, to set my face, I am using the Faces Canada Makeup Fixer. So that's it for today's video. This is the final look. Very easy to carry everyday makeup look. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Bye.